Hello friends. So in the last video, we have seen that what we are trying to achieve. What is the final outcome of our this project? So before starting the development of that dashboard, I would like to give you a small tour of the report view, the place where we are going to make our dashboard, where we are going to design our dashboard. Right. So in the last video we have seen that there was some dashboard, there were some pages, there were so many elements, and this is the place. If you see my shared screen, so this is the place where we are going to do all those activity. Till now we have seen that data view where all the tables were there: athletes fact, game dimension, player dimension, and region dimension tables. And this is the place uh, where we have managed the relationship between our tables. Now, the third part comes into the picture, that is called report view. In this report view, if you have noticed, there are some in the table view, in the data view, there was home, help, and table tool. In the model view, there was home and help. But in the report view, now there are two new tab has been opened. One is the insert and another is view. Right. So these are the tabs. In the report view, we have home, insert, modeling, view, and help. So these are the five tabs which is there in the report view. And this blank sheet at the center, which is has been demarcated by this dotted line, is called the canvas. This is basically a blank sheet on which we will make our art. We will design our dashboard. So this is the blank sheet, right? So this is called the central part of this screen is called canvas. And at the right hand side, if you notice, there are three things: fields, visualization, filters. In some of your cases, these might be expanded. I have collapsed them all so that I can show you one by one. These three things, fields, visualization, and filters, can be expanded and collapsed. So let me expand the fields first. So fields are having all the tables which we have and all the columns that we can select from these tables is available in this field section, right? If I'll collapse it again, let me expand the visualization. Visualization is having so many variety of charts that we can choose. And there is something called filter. In filter we have two different kind of a filters. Okay, so right now there are two kind of filter. That one is that filter we will have for this page, and another is that filter will get applied to all the pages. We will get this in detail, right? So this is what we call as a canvas. This is a canvas, and the canvas will get filled by using these three things: fields, visualization, and filters. So this is called a canvas. Let's suppose, if you remember, in that dashboard we have put some background color into that. So first thing that we should do is, let me collapse the fields and the filters, only the visualization pane, because the visualization is the only thing that will require to fill that canvas as a background color. So this is my blank sheet. So first thing that I want to do is that I want to apply some background color to the sheet. I don't want to start my visualization in a white paper. I want to take a colored paper maybe. For that, first I'll go here. I have clicked on a blank canvas. In the visualization, if you go onto the this format your report page, then you will have all the settings related to this canvas. First thing is page information. So this is page 3. I can make the name of this as uh, dashboard maybe. So the page name will get dashboard. Then we have canvas setting. So type of the size, what kind of a page I want to make, 4 by 3 letter, so many options are there. I'll select the standard 16 by 9. Vertical alignment, yeah, I will start with the top. So canvas setting, then comes to the canvas background. Currently my canvas background is white in color. What I want to introduce a color into this. So what color I will take? I can choose any of these colors. Let me select this blue. So it will give me the blue color, but nothing is happening here. Why? Because the transparency level of this color is 100%. So that means the blue color has been applied with a transparency level of 100%. That means 100% means that it is almost invisible. If I'll reduce my transparency level, then it will show. When I will do the transparency level at 0, it will give me the exact color. When I will take it to the 100%, it will be almost invisible. If I will take somewhere here, it will give me a light blue kind of color. So you can choose the color of your choice. I will choose this. What I have did in my actual project, I'll choose it with a 75% of transparency level. So now my sheet which was white in color is now in a warm white kind of a color, so that it will look attractive, right? So now I have set up a background color into it. We can also apply a background image also. What if I want to put a image of Olympic logo into this? So for that I can browse from here. I can select any of the image. Let me select an image. Let me set this. Open. So can you see at the background there is a image which is there, but for as of now, because it will hinder my analysis to it, so that's why I will remove it. I can do something like this also. So if you want to apply a background image, that can also be done. But as of now, I want to put I want to fill a light color at the and the solid color at the background. That's why I did this. There are some other things also that I can put the wallpaper. We can put the uh, we can add some filter pane, filter card, something like this. So many things can be done, right? But as of now, this is how we set our canvas. There are so many other options that we can explore. Next video, we will learn about more things and how to insert the image and all in this canvas. Right? We'll see that in the next video. Till then, thank you.